I do not ground pound moms anymore. That was back in 2020. Now, in 2021, we respect moms.
YouTube is a bad, bad, bad monster. Okay? Never get too close to YouTube, okay? It's a bad monster.
Oh, did I wash my hands? No?
I'm so sorry. All I can do is bonk you like this. The bonk. Here, let me slap. The bonk. Here you go.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you.
Ame, 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 ame. I'll be a worldwide dominatrix and dominate the world.
Oh, stop. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Yoshi, 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 Yoshi. Don't cry.
Get that shit out of here. Fuck.
For somebody who had never made meatloaf before, that was a banging meatloaf.
I'm not. These aren't ears. These are not ears. It's like flaps.
I want you to see everything. I want you to be able to see my entire body if you want.
Squeeze your butt. Activate the butt. Activate the butt.
Yes!
Yago. Okay, goat in Japanese is Yagi, which is why I said Yago. I'm sorry, that was not funny.
And your body's like a giant lava lamp. And you know what happens if you shake a lava lamp too much? Nothing, really.
But there is no pee-pee. There is no pee-pee to give to you to slap. I can't. There's no pee-pee.
We have to go there.
What the fuck did I say?
It's fucking raw. Moi. She rises, up she rises, up she rises,
You look lonely. I can fix that.
You think I can fit all 8 of these in my mouth? Let's try. I'm gonna try and fit all 8 of these in my mouth. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne?
Goodbye, teammate. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.